Yo, what's up? It's your girl. I'm back with another pimple popping video. Yo, I swear, being on quarantine, it just make you, for one, sleepy. But it make you look at a lot of different type of videos that you're open to. This is like my guilty pleasure though. And I actually thought like a hair was in here. I'm gonna check it again today just to make sure, because it looked like a little hair was in there, but then when I did it, it wasn't a hair in there. So I was confused by this little pimple. But I am going to watch with y'all because I feel like me putting a little music on it was like whack. It was all like happy and shit. And I feel like when Pimple... Damn, I'm sorry I'm yawning so much, y'all. Yep, there you go. But yeah, I feel like when people who watch pimple popping videos, when they watching it, like they just be so focused. And they want somebody else to watch it with them. Like, sorry, I went out of frame right there, but I had to squeeze that baby. Because my little extractor tool wasn't doing it. It wasn't doing it. So I'm actually recording this all of this on my Note 10, which it did pretty good though, but it's hard to do everything with one hand while you holding the camera. Sorry. Yeah. And that was a little hair and stuff that I pulled out. He's so yellow, like hair. Golly, I'm sorry, y'all. Hair bumps and stuff like that is just dominant on him. Now his nose, that was good. It was a 3-in-1. This side of his nose, I actually already was starting on. That's why you see the little red spot on the one. But I was like, shit, your nose is full. Like, let me go on and record this. Like, every 2 weeks, I do this to his nose because his pores, oh, like, that was a good one, too. His pores would be just so full. Like, only around his nose. Like, he's starting to get him on the back of his ear a little bit. Let me see. Oh yeah, and I pull this like the skin back to try to, see better, because like I said, he's so yellow, like you can see the whiteheads and stuff up under his skin, like when I pull back. And he hate it. Like, he hate when I do this, but like at the same time he get it, because I feel like, if y'all ever seen like Dr. Pimple Poppers, the one guy who knows she do, I feel like if I don't do it, his nose is gonna be just full and stuff. And look, watch here, I can even like poke it. Like, what? I can even just poke it. And so I thought it was going to actually be more stuff in there. But I think I just opened it to breathe, hopefully. Breathe a little bit. But yeah, the ones that y'all missed on this side was juicy too. So, like, and I'm still getting out a lot. That's crazy. And sorry, I'm doing a voiceover on my phone too. So if I get a notification or something, y'all gonna hear it too. But how is everybody? Like, how y'all holding up out there? See, I'm in Dayton, Ohio. And it's all right. They just closed our schools down for the rest of the year. And I feel so bad for the seniors, like, especially for the ones who ain't never had prom, never went to prom or anything like that. Like, damn. I hope they end up doing something for them, because, like, your senior year is monumental. You know? Okay, so here go like another one. This was like in this like the sideburn area. And I think I actually pulled a hair out of this one. Let me see. Sorry if y'all hear some little stuff in the background. My baby, she got her little tablet going while I'm doing the voiceover for this video. Yep, so y'all gonna see a plethora of devices. I got my tweezers, got my little extractor tool, and then nope, I grabbed the wrong hair. Had to fish it out, but y'all gonna see it. It was, watch, hold up, here it go. Had to look like, hold on, I know it's in there. I seen it. There it go. White hair, piece of white hair was in there causing all that trouble. I should have slowed it down. Let me know too, like when I do these, I think I'm gonna just do one every 2 weeks, like when this little pimples fill back up, because this is my guilty pleasure, and this is my channel. So I know I'm like a beauty, hairstyle, makeup. God, hey y'all, one more time. Ooh, I'm sorry y'all, but if y'all like these type of videos, ooh, that came out like a spaghetti noodle. But yeah, if y'all like these type of videos, like every once in a while, not, you feel me, not, this is not gonna turn into no pimple popping channel or nothing like that, but every 2 weeks, get a little fresh dose of these pimples. And sometimes he actually gets some on his back. So I'm gonna try to start incorporating them. The ones on the back be hurting though. Like I can tell they be hurting him. He be doing the most when I hit them back pimples. So I had to switch sides and get up off and under that cover. That cover was making me sleepy. But yeah, this side wasn't even as good as the other side. Like it was still good, and I had to like keep positioning myself because I kept going out of frame and stuff. But his nose pores, like even though they feel so much, and I was being hella aggressive on this one. I'm not gonna lie, I was being hella aggressive, and I just feel like I don't know, like, how you trying to get him to exfoliate and stuff like that? Like, ladies, tell me what y'all be doing for your man to clean a face. Like, golly, it don't matter. Every 2 weeks, this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing to make sure my baby look good. Like, and it just was, I probably would have got out way more if I had both my hands, but I only had one hand. One hand available, and I'm like, y'all see how yellow he is. His little nose is so red. Oh, his nose so red. But like, look, even like at the top and stuff like that, like where I'm about to start poking a little bit, his pimples, like they're so stuck in there. Like you got to press so hard. Like you gonna see me go back to that one and stuff. Watch how hard I gotta press. Look, bow. Now I'm gonna go back to that one. Look, watch this. Like I gotta press so hard, and I don't want to. I tell him like, you need to exfoliate. Exfoliate. It'll be easier. Like, and plus this, like the little circle tool, it's good for like the side of the nose and stuff like that. But I have this little it's like a tweezer, but it's like a hook, and it gets out those real tiny ones real good. Like you'll see what I'm talking about when it come up. So let's watch this. Think I got a good one. Yeah, well, that's a little baby one. There it go. So there go the little hook tool I was talking about. Like, and this whole thing came together. It came with like the sharp tweezer, that thing, the little extractor, a couple of different ones. I don't know what all the other ones for, but these are only 3 tools I use. I don't use nothing else. But like, see how you use the back and then you can just pull it out. They still stuck in there, but like the ones that's on his nose is like hairs, but like, look, watch. Y'all see that? Like, they hairs, but like they pimples too. Like, when I get on like the corner of his nose, you gonna really see what I'm talking about. But like, and this is the longest he's ever let me be on his nose. So y'all need to be thanking him down below that he let me do this for this long. This video is 14 minutes long. And I was on his face way longer than that, trying to make sure I gave y'all a good little video. My baby in pain. That's my honey with her little broke leg. Yeah, the only thing I didn't like about recording with the note was it kept like trying to figure out, I guess, what needed to be in focus. Look like shoot. So you see like little hair, but you see like a little dirty thing too. Like, sorry y'all, it's kind of out of frame. But like that shot out, see it? I can just grab it with that part. So that's why I like that one. That one is good for like these little ones that I couldn't get before with the big one because he wasn't gonna let me. Yeah, probably gonna hear nursery rhymes on the back. That was a good one. Look, that was a real good one. These next couple ones was good ones. Like I said, I'm hella shocked he let me do this. Like, y'all see his eye flinching? Yeah, I've seen that one. Watch when I hit this corner up here. Yep, up here. Got him right on out though. They came out like little grass shoots. I'm sorry, I'm all up in his nose too. I had to cut some video though, because he had a booger up there. And I was like, I ain't even about to do you like that. Put that on there. Like, you can see all up in his nose. Like, you can see a peek of it right there. Look. That's why I had to readjust. Like, hell nah. Yeah, but I like this little tool. I'ma definitely start using this one for the little ones. Look at this one. Juicy. Hold up. Here it go. Head ass. Yeah, but that was the end. Like, that was my little grand finale. And then, of course, you get a little honorable mention right here. This was on his back. This was a good one that I got back there. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. And like I said, in the next 2 weeks, it'll probably be another one. Hopefully we get some good back ones. Some of the real big juicy ones that I can show y'all.